Hello everyone, welcome to Genie. In today's video, we are going to see why do we use QWERTY keyboards, its history, purposes and alternatives. Have you ever wondered why keyboards are arranged in this QWERTY format? This QWERTY layout has been there for almost a century, and here we will explain why it was invented, how it became the global standard, and whether any better alternatives exist. So this layout was designed by Christopher Latham Scholes in 1870s, and it was designed for the early typewriters. And we know that typewriters had these metal arms that stuck into the paper. And if two letters are if typed too quickly, uh, the arms would jam. And so to prevent this, the letters were rearranged to slow down the typing and reduce the jams. And this was designed and used in 1878 in the Remington number 2 typewriter, and the mechanical limitation does not exist today, but this QWERTY is still dominant layout. Now let us talk about this adaptation and standardization. It became standard due to the widespread adaptation in business and schools. And in 1900s, the typewriter companies and office workers quickly used QWERTY. There was also this Dvorak emerged, claiming to be faster and more efficient in 1930s, and but in 1980s, still the QWERTY's dominance was there in the personal computer. And in today's video or today, most devices from laptops to smartphones, they use QWERTY by default. Why is QWERTY still used? Because first thing is it is familiarity and habit. Generations have learned to type using QWERTY, make it difficult to switch. Schools, business, workplaces, everywhere these QWERTY keyboards are being used. And industry standardization. Softwares like Windows, Mac, Linux, hardwares, laptops, tablets, etc. are optimized for QWERTY. And software and hardware compatibility. Most apps, operating systems, and keyboards assume QWERTY as a default. Typing speed perception. So we believe that QWERTY is fast enough and there is no challenge. Um, Also, alternate layouts like with the Dvorak, Colemak, etc. are more faster, but few people use them. And these are the alternatives to QWERTY. Dvorak, it is designed for efficiency, reduces the finger movement. Colemak, it is similar to QWERTY, but it is optimized for comfort and speed. Then Azerty is used in France and Belgium. It is a regional. QWERTY is Quartz. It's used in Germany and Central Europe. That is also regional. Conclusion. And Dvorak was created in 1930s to implement the typing efficiency, and it reduced the finger movement by 60%, but still its adoption remains low. Colemak layout was introduced in the 2000s. It kept most of QWERTY, but it optimizes the key placement. Then Azerty and Quartz, they are used in specific European countries instead of QWERTY. QWERTY keyboard remains dominant, not because it's best, but it became the industry standard early on. Even though the better layouts exist, the habit and compatibility keep QWERTY in place Alternatives like Dvorak and Colemak offer advantages but have limited adoption. So, should we embrace more efficient layouts, or is QWERTY too deeply embedded in our life? What do you think? Comment. So that's all for today's video. Have a nice day. We will come up with another exciting video soon. Till then, take care. Bye. Happy coding.